Hi, I'm Chris Douth from CRM Central. In this video, we'll talk about an enhancement that we've created to improve the Maximizer unsubscribe process. This video is ideal for Maximizer clients who use the unsubscribe function of the Email Marketing Campaign Manager. Setting the Do Not Solicit By field in Maximizer to email ensures that recipients who opt out of receiving email are excluded from email campaigns generated from the Campaign Manager. Inserting an unsubscribe link into emails is a great way to automate the process of setting this field. Inserting the link is covered in a separate video. The standard web page that processes an unsubscribe click from your email is very basic and doesn't give your clients the chance to change their mind. To improve your company image and to improve your client's experience, we've created a web page template that replaces this standard Maximizer page. We customize this template to work with your database and look like your corporate web page. So let's have a look. First of all, we'll look at the standard Maximizer unsubscribe page. Here I have an email generated by one of our clients from the Email Marketing Campaign Manager, and it contains several links to click-throughs. But what we're interested in this particular video is the unsubscribe. To meet privacy requirements, we need to add an option into our email that allows our clients to unsubscribe from receiving more emails. So typically we'd put a link somewhere in our email that allows our client to click on unsubscribe. By default, the page will look something like this, with unsubscribed in the top left hand corner. Not very exciting and not very professional, but it does work, and it will set the Do Not Solicit By setting to email. So let's see what happens if we use our custom unsubscribe page. So instead of a blank unexciting page, you can see that we've actually retrieved the client's name and email address from the database. This will show them that we know who they are. We've also added some formatting to this page, and again we can add as much formatting as you like to make the page look like your own web page. We've added some text to the page that encourages our client to maybe reconsider whether they do want to unsubscribe. And we have two options: cancel unsubscribe and to continue with the unsubscribe process. So with both of these buttons we can put in other processes such as emails and redirect them to other pages that may be more relevant to what they're looking for. So before I click on cancel unsubscribes, let's have a quick look at the record that we're dealing with. So as you can see, the record in Maximizer currently does not have any setting in the Do Not Solicit By field, and the most recent note is July the 22nd. So let's go ahead and click on unsubscribe. So what happens in the background is that the client is redirected to a web page that we set in our custom unsubscribe page. And if we have a look at the Maximizer record, we can see that Do Not Solicit By is still not set to email, and a note has been added to their record that they cancel the unsubscribe process. This could be useful in the future. Now let's have a look at what happens if they click on the unsubscribe button. Again, remember that we can program any redirection into this button, but in the case of this particular page, I've set it up to just simply close down the browser. So let's have a look at what's happened to the record in Maximizer now. Do Not Solicit By has been set to email, and a note's been added that they have unsubscribed. So that's about all there is to it. You can see that by adding an unsubscribe option in your emails, you can save yourself a lot of work processing returned emails where clients are requesting you to take them out of the list. By using the custom page, we enhance their experience, and we also add a history of our clients' behavior in terms of the unsubscribe process. As we mentioned, we can add as much functionality and processes as you need to this page. The standard page includes modifying the look of the page, adding a note to the client's record, and then redirecting them to your home page or another page that you nominate. This also includes setting Do Not Solicit By to email if they choose to unsubscribe. So thank you for watching this video. If you want a more personalized presentation, contact your Maximizer business partner or email us at sales@crmcentral.biz.